Greetings, mathematicians! In this short video, you'll learn about Brainingcamp color tiles. Once logged in, click on the Color Tiles manipulative. In the toolkit on the left, you will find color tiles with the 4 basic colors, plus 3 additional colors should you find a need for them. Once you add color tiles to the workspace, you can select them to get a menu of options and operations. For example, in color tiles, you can change their color or turn off their fill. The Graph workspace allows you to create a vertical bar graph or a horizontal bar graph. To make your selection, click on one of the axes, then choose Flip from the list of choices. The graph can even be copied and pasted on the workspace to allow for the creation of multiple datasets. By opening the Settings menu and selecting Clusters, groups of tiles are labeled based on their color. Additionally, there are other workspaces, including Part Whole and Number Line. The Number Line workspace starts with a customizable number line built with interval sizes that match the color tiles. The Array tool from the toolkit allows you to create arrays of any size. You can select the rotation feature to change the orientation of the factors. Finally, don't forget to check out the toolkit and the settings menu for tools and settings that can be used with color tiles in fun and interesting ways. Now you are ready to use Brainingcamp color tiles. If you want more practice with the general interface, we encourage you to watch the Getting Started with Brainingcamp tutorial video. Remember, each manipulative has its own tutorial video with details specific to each. Let us know if you have any questions.